So those are the basics. Let's take a look at another unit system. Okay, so I'm going to save that, and I want to open up residential floor plan. And this is just a simple floor plan for us to talk about how to take what you now know about layouts and apply them to a 2D model. So this is a 2D model. If you look, we're in the flatlands here. And let's just take a quick look at units so we can familiarize ourselves what's going on. In this case, we also have the model unit as inches and the layout unit as inches. We have a dimension style ready to go, and we haven't turned on annotation scale yet, and we will here shortly. So let's add the layout, and again 11 by 17 is good. For the detail count, I'm going to go with 1. Okay, and we'll grab that detail and we'll scale it and we'll place it on the sheet. I also want to add another detail. I can do that by going back to layout here and add detail, and this time I'll turn Smart Track back on and we'll create another detail. And in this detail we want to show the entire plan, and in this detail we want to show just the kitchen. So we can do a little bit of zooming, and probably want to stretch that one down a little bit so I have room for dimensions. This one actually looks okay, and let's look at scale while we're at it. This one is very close to what I want it to be, which is 1 to 48, or 1/4 inch equals a foot. Ha, kind of fun. Okay, this is called a whiteboard. And I just want to talk about imperial scales, just a little aside. For those of you that are used to working with them, it's probably going to be kind of boring. But anyway, those of you who aren't, I want to make you less afraid of them. And if we look at a typical architectural scale, 1/8 inch equals a foot, 1/4 inch equals a foot, these are scales that usually the building departments and municipalities require to take in a drawing set. So they'll be real important for some of you to follow. But if I multiply by 8 on each side, the scale that I'm really talking about is 1 inch equals 8 feet. And another way of saying 1 inch equals 8 feet is 1 inch equals 96 inches. And that is very close to 1 equals 100. So when you see 1/8 inch equals a foot, you're actually looking at something that's very close to 1 to 100. And like we talked about earlier, the scale that we're going to set is going to tell Rhino in every 1 inch on this layout how many model units do we have. Well, in this one we're going to have 96, but in this one, because we want to look at it at a larger scale, we're going to have 48. Okay, so this one, what do we have? We're close. Again, close, but no cigar here. That needs to be 1 to 96. This needs to be 1 to 48. I'm going to guess we can lock these right now. I can always unlock them, and I can lock them all at once, which is the one thing we can do with multiple details.